Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Marii, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing the take on the soft glam makeup look, soft glam trend going on. I saw Desi do it and I was like, okay, it's time. Like, I saw so many YouTubers, Instagrammers do this look. I've actually did this look before when I had like lash extensions because it's really easy to just throw this look on and make it look like you tried a lot. But I saw that she added the brown eyeliner and I was like, ooh, like that's something I haven't tried before. So I kind of recreated that look and this is my take on it. So if you guys like to see or learn how to get the soft glam look, then I suggest you keep on watching. But before I start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you never miss a video. And without further ado, let's just get right into the tutorial. Hello everyone, back with another makeup tutorial and back with another pajama shirt. Even though I'm filming at 9:45 at night, I never film at night, but today I was like, I'm in the mood to play with some makeup and I'm in the mood to film, so I'm filming a night video, hence the pajamas. Alright, so I just finished watching Desi's soft glam makeup look and oh my gosh, I have been obsessed with that look. I have seen multiple people do it before. I think the first person might have been Shay Mitchell. Someone, I think it was Makeup by Ariel, who posted a picture and I was like that was like the start of it all. So I've been wanting to try this for a long time, so hopefully I can get it down with my twist or something. So I already did my eyebrows, but the trick that I saw Desi do, which is made me like, oh my god, why haven't I ever thought of that, is, hold on, let me blend this concealer out. She put powder over her eyebrows to make them look softer, and I'm like, I've always had a problem with eyebrow pencils where they're either too light or they're too dark, and if they're too dark they look too like too intense, and you don't want to have that like intense look with this soft glam look. So after I finish up my face, I'm gonna go ahead and do the trick that she did, which you guys will see if you haven't seen her video. So let's just get right into it. To prime my face, I'm using the Good Molecule silicone free priming moisturizer. So now for foundation, I'm using a Luminous Silk foundation. I'm in the shade 6.5, so I'm just going to apply that with a finger and blend it out with a Dose of Colors beauty sponge. This look is honestly super pretty, but like I feel like it's very easy to do and you don't really need a lot of products besides like your everyday makeup and some good bronzer. This is where I start to have a problem with the foundation. I feel like around my nose area, the foundation does not like to stick. Now for concealer, you guys know I'm using my Too Faced Bonus Weight Concealer in the shade Light Beige. And I'm gonna also put some right here. I don't know what it is, but the foundation is not covering this area very well right now. And also, I feel like this soft glam look has like a bright under eye, so I'm gonna also go in with Vanilla from the Too Faced Bonus Weight Concealer. So I recently bought this fan off Amazon and I'm gonna use it right now. I feel like concealer applies better when you let it sit for a little bit because it gets like more pigment. I don't know, but okay, but I don't want it to dry too much. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and set my face. So to set under my eyes, I'm using my Mercier translucent powder. I feel like this face or this makeup look is a very matte look, so make sure to mattify it all. And then for the rest of my face, I use my Huda Beauty banana bread powder if I have any more. And I just use a Morphe MB2 brush. I still have the concealer on my eyes. Let me blend it out again because it was starting to crease. And then I'm gonna go in with some translucent powder and set the eyelids. And then This is where I saw Desi take the powder and then whatever was left over on the brush, she kind of just like pat it into the brows to make them look softer, and I really like how that looked. So I'm gonna try it because it gave it like a matte look, and I noticed sometimes my eyebrows tend to get oily, if that makes sense. Like I'll notice my face is still kind of matte, but then my eyebrows look a little oily. I don't know, might just be me. I think it made it look a little softer, I don't know. I'm gonna go in with my Kylie Cosmetics Tequila Tan Bronzer, and I'm going to be using this like angled bronzer brush. I say this a lot, but a lot of my brushes numbers rub off and the names, and it sucks, so I can't tell you guys where I got it, but it's just like an angled brush. I'm pretty sure Morphe has one. And I'm just gonna start by bronzing the forehead. I really love a bronzed forehead. I don't know about you guys, but I love it. And then I'm also going to mix in a little bit of Benefit's Hoola bronzer. I like to pull my cheek back to see how it would look if it was like my hair was up, so I can really see where the contour would come in. And I just follow that shadow. And then down the neck, I'm going to tie this hair back. Okay, I had to tie his hair back because it was getting in the way, but yeah, so I feel like this look is a very summery bronze look, so you have to have that bronzer in there. Okay, so now I'm gonna slightly contour the nose using the same Tequila Tan bronzer with this angled brush. And I'm also gonna go back into the Mercier powder and carve out the cheekbones using the same beauty sponge. And I'm just gonna let that sit there while we finish up the rest of the face so it can really be carved out. Now for blush, I'm using MAC's Melba blush. As you guys can tell, this is like my go-to blush as for high-end, because I don't really shop for high-end blushes. I literally have one high-end and one drugstore that I really love, and this is the MAC Melba. And I'm just using an Urban Studio Stippling 204 brush to apply it. And I put some on the nose. Okay, so now for highlight, I don't want to do anything too dramatic because I do like the matte look. Just like I just want a little bit of glow. So I'm grabbing the Kylie Cosmetics Queen Drip Highlighter, and I'm applying it with a Morphe M510 brush. This one isn't too bright, but I mean, you can obviously pile it up to make it very intense, but I don't want to do that, so I'm just going to lightly apply it on the cheekbones. Not too much. Then a little on the nose. Okay, so now for the eye look, I'm pretty much going to be using the same bronzers that I use on my face as for my crease color. So I'm using Tequila Tan and Benefit's Hoola bronzer. And I'm just using a Morphe M533 brush to apply it. Because I feel like the key to this look is you really want everything to kind of just like blend in together. So if you have the same bronzer on the eyes, it kind of just all complements each other. I'm going in with Tequila Tan. And I'm really just gonna blend it all over. And also with some Hoola. What I really liked what Desi did is she kind of like blended it where the contour went. So right here to give it that shadow, and then she blended it out. Having that shadow right here where the contour would start for the nose, I can't talk. It just really gives it a pretty shadow. I don't know what it is, but every time I see this look, I always see that they have this done, and it just looks freaking gorgeous. Okay, so I also have the Desi x Katy palette right here, and I feel like these colors right here are gonna be great for this look. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Necessary and just blend that in as well. Okay, so now for the lid shade, I'm gonna go into Desi's palette and take the shade Naked. And I'm just going to pack that all over the lid. I'm not even gonna cut the crease because this shadow is pigmented enough. Okay, so now I'm taking a pencil brush and just grabbing some more of the Hoola bronzer and putting it on my lower lash line. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the eyes. You guys see how easy that is? So now I am going to do some liner. Desi used a brown liner and I actually have a brown liquid liner. I've just never used it before. So I'm gonna attempt to do a brown liquid wing liner. Alright guys, so I think I did an okay job. I don't want to make it too dramatic because it is a brown liner, so I just need it to be chill. So I'm going to go in with some lashes. I think I want to use these. Let me see. Alright, so I think I'm going to use these lashes. I really like how they look with this look. So these are lashes by Juju in the style Juju. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of my Sigma mascara. And I think I'm gonna add a little bit on the lower lash line. I don't want it to be too dramatic since this is a soft glam. Wipe away this translucent powder. Now for the lips, I'm going to be taking my Morphe Love Bite lip liner. I'm getting ahead of myself. I was about to put it on. And then on top of that, I'm using my NYX London Soft Matte Lip Cream. Alright, so last but not least, to set my face, I'm using my LA Girl setting spray. Sorry, I paused. My dogs are barking. And then I'm going to use my fan. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead, put a cute little shirt on, fix up my hair, and I'll be right back to give you the full effect. Alright guys, so this is the finished soft glam makeup look. I love this makeup look. It low-key might be my go-to makeup look for the next month or so, but I love it so much. It's exactly what it's called, soft glam. You can literally wear this makeup look on a night out, to a brunch, to a date, whatever it may be, and I just feel like it gives like a little shy girl vibe, you know? So yeah, this is my take on the soft glam trend going on. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below on what other makeup looks you guys want to see. But yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you like from the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my Angel's channel, which is MariiiBajariii and Angel. The link will be down below. Stay blooming, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Dancing,